Hey, Pinson Valley Band. I'm just sending you this short message because had a feeling y'all would watch this a lot more than read a Google Doc on just kind of what you need to expect for the first day of school tomorrow. I know many of you are nervous and you feel overwhelmed as far as not knowing what's going on. So let me just lay out a couple of things for you. Thing one, go ahead tonight and log into your Schoology account. Okay, you got your email address and your password on those sheets that were given to you when you picked up your schedule. Go ahead and log into Schoology, and just make sure you can get in. When you go to your courses, you will not have any of your classes. I think the only class in there right now is one that Miss Blair put in. Click on that, and there are slideshows that you can look for that will help you kind of navigate some different things and just kind of explore it. Don't worry that your classes aren't in yet. They will be in there tomorrow morning. Okay? So, what you need to do for tomorrow is actually fairly simple. We're going to run the schedule as it would be on Monday, which means it's a synchronous day. That more or less means that you are meeting for every class at the given time. Okay? So what you need to do is be in Schoology, go to the class that lines up with that block. So tomorrow morning, what will happen is get in there at about 7:30, 7:45-ish. Don't wait until the very last second, okay? And when you log in your courses, when you hit that little courses button, which is like right here, okay, it should list all of your classes. Click on the class that you have first block, and it will take you to that class's page. From there, you should see kind of what's going on, and at least your teacher can see that you've logged in. Your teacher will be able to tell if you've logged into their class on Schoology. Okay, we have a tab where we can see when you logged in, how long you were there, and things like that. Okay, but then your teacher will most likely have some kind of link for you to click on for each class. Okay, so tomorrow you need to be prepared to click on each class beginning at the start of each class according to the bell schedule. And I'm going to send out a copy of the bell schedule just so you can see it. From there, your teachers are most likely just going to spend some time with you, making sure that you've got everything you need, making sure that you've signed up, that you're in the right places, and those kinds of things. All right? The same will go for band classes. We'll have y'all check in. More or less what Miss Green and I are going to do is try to help you through Schoology, to help you in your other classes. We are less worried about you in band right now because we're able to see you. Okay? So be prepared. 1, log into Schoology tonight. Make sure that it works. 2, log in the morning to find your classes before the school day starts. 3, click on each class at the time they are in your bell schedule. Okay? 3 other things that you need to know. That's your schedule. You need to dress appropriately. Okay? Now, dressing appropriately because you got to have the camera on. Okay? What you need to appear presentable. Okay? If you're wearing pajama bottoms and a tie, not that anyone would do that, but no one's going to be able to tell as long as you're right here. Okay? But you need to dress appropriately. You need to be engaged like you're in a class. Don't show up to your classes eating breakfast. Don't show up, looking like this at a screen thinking that we can't tell what you're doing. Okay? You need to be engaged or your teachers are going to call you out for it. Okay? And you need to be flexible. Y'all, we are learning this just like you are. All right. And during your band time, we will spend some time going through Schoology and answering some questions and helping you navigate it in those ways. All right. So if I'm you, I'm checking all that stuff. I would go ahead and download the Schoology app if you'd like to on your phone. I would download the WebEx app as well. WebEx is the way we're going to be doing our live versions of things. and just explore. Y'all are smart. Okay, you've got more social media platforms than most of us can understand. All right, think of it this way: Schoology is more or less Facebook for school. Okay, WebEx is the same as Google Meet. It just has more features. Okay, so explore these things, and we'll spend tomorrow doing things that way. Okay, you'll be able to ask questions tomorrow. We'll help you with your schedule. We'll help you navigate. So don't worry, it'll be fine. You'll get through tomorrow. We'll come to practice. We'll leave all that on the computer and get outside and get more of the show. Okay, y'all get a good night's sleep. Check on those things like I told you to, and tomorrow's going to be just fine. Don't worry about it. All right.